Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be drawing mobile from the StreamINK challenge. As you may have guessed, I am not able to get into my Twitch account still. So why not make lemonade out of lemons and film another YouTube video? It's been so long since I've done time-lapse videos, so I hope you're enjoying them. I have noticed how much faster I can complete spreads when I'm focused on filming it for YouTube compared to when streaming it on Twitch, which I think is somewhat common. But I remember when I first started YouTube thinking how much slower I was focusing on filming for YouTube than just drawing it on my own. So, hooray for progress! Anyway, let's get into today's spread. As you may have guessed by the title, the prompt for today is mobile. Mobile is defined as able to move or be moved freely or easily. Although there are a lot of creatures in nature with mobility, I kept coming back to the hummingbird. As our traveler continues to walk in the field, she starts to encounter different animals and plants. They may or may not provide insight to some of the inner workings of what she's going through. Today's quoted blurb comes from The Memory Palace. Some of my old memories feel trapped, amber in my brain, lucid and burning, while others are like the wing beat of a hummingbird, an intangible, ephemeral blur. I love this visual image of some memories being locked into our brains, while others feel like wisps of dreams. It's incredibly poetic and makes me want to read Mira's memoir. I decided to also draw a skeletal representation of a hummingbird on the left, as if it were a study guide. This is representative of the traveler trying to dissect coping mechanisms, how to catch more glimpses of these intangible memories. I thought setting my exposure and my white balance would not autocorrect, but when filming, it still adjusted itself, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm still doing wrong. I'm definitely on the struggle bus. Please bear with me as I figure this out. I tried to fix a lot of this in post, but some were successful attempts and others were not.
It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard.
I really hope that you all are finding comfort along your journey as we continue to navigate the 2020 year. Take care of yourselves out there.
How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on.
A special thank you to my patrons from Patreon and my wonderful blobs and splats from Twitch for being so patient and caring. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!
Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any